Are you ready to be amazed by the unexpected? Well, get ready to be transported back in time at the new Museum of the Past, located inside the iconic Dubai frame. Step inside this remarkable museum and journey through the history of Dubai. From its humble beginnings as a small fishing village to the bustling metropolis it is today. Explore interactive exhibits, stunning artifacts, and immersive displays that bring the past to life in a way you've never experienced before. Learn about the rich culture, traditions, and heritage that have shaped this incredible city over the years. Whether you're a history buff or just curious about the story behind Dubai's rapid growth and development, this museum has something for everyone. So, next time you visit the Dubai frame, make sure to set aside some time to visit the Museum of the Past. You won't be disappointed. Like, share, and comment. Please enjoy.
एक्सचेंज जो करते थे पड़ता
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.